Ever had your electronic parking brake light start flashing out of nowhere? You hit the button, nothing. You hear that annoying beep, and your car just refuses to move. Before you think, great, another $300 dealership visit, hold up. Because today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to reset that parking brake yourself, right here in your own driveway. I'm Jack Turner, and welcome back to Fix My Ride, the ultimate garage on YouTube, where real car problems meet real solutions without the crazy repair bills. What's going on? So what exactly is this thing even doing? Your electronic parking brake, or EPB, is basically a tiny motor that replaces your old school handbrake lever. It's smart, until it stops acting smart. Maybe your battery died, maybe you just replaced your brake pads, or maybe your car is just having a bad day. Whatever the reason, don't stress. Most of the time, you can reset it in under 2 minutes. Step 1. Safety first. All right, before we touch anything, safety first. Park your car on a flat surface, engine on, or at least in accessory mode, and make sure your foot's firmly on the regular brake pedal. We don't want any unexpected rolling away moments, unless you're making a new TikTok trend. Now for the quick fix, the basic reset. Here's what to do. Press and hold the parking brake button down for about 5 to 10 seconds, then pull it up and hold for another 5 to 10 seconds. If you hear a click or that dashboard light blinks, congratulations, your system's resetting. Still nothing? Don't panic. Your car might just need a deeper reset. Let's try the advanced trick. Okay, time to show your car who's boss. Turn the ignition on, but don't start the engine. Press the parking brake button down for 3 seconds, release it, then pull it up for 3 seconds. Repeat this about 3 to 4 times. You might hear a beep or see the light flash. That's your car saying, "All right, I'm good now." Think of it like a secret handshake between you and your car. Once you know it, you're part of the club. And there you go. No tools, no dealer visit, and no stress. You just reset your electronic parking brake like a pro. If this video helped you out, hit that thumbs up, share it with a friend who's stressing over that same light, and subscribe for more real-world car fixes that actually work. And if your headlights look cloudy or yellow, don't miss my next video, how to restore headlights permanently. I'll show you a trick that lasts for years, not weeks. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this.